In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make $450 a day with the Grammarly tool that autocorrects text and fix grammar for you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can turn Grammarly into an income generating tool and actually make money with that. This is going to be completely free. It's great for beginners if you're new to make money online. This is going to be a really easy strategy as Grammarly does all the automation for you. No investment needed. You don't need any money to get started as it is a completely free tool. They do have a paid package, but the free package will be more than fine for this. And this is going to be a very handy 10-minute video that will be showing you exactly how to turn Grammarly into an income generating tool. And I'm going to show you a bonus at the end of this on how to earn cryptocurrency from this tool and how your money can actually make money for itself with the current way that cryptocurrencies is appreciating over the years. So this is going to be a fantastic strategy for you guys to make money online. I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video before we get started. Also, comment down below any questions. I reply to any comments. And also, as promised, I'm going to do a $50 giveaway at the end of this video. So make sure to watch this until the end so that you don't miss that. But without further ado, guys, we're going to get straight into this. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is this little article over here. So this is a translation job from German to English, and you're going to make $75 doing the specific translation job. Now I'm going to show you how we can use Grammarly to actually automate this for us, do this job for us, and how we can make $75 with the simple task. So over here you can see this is an entire story, I think, about Little Red Riding Hood in German that was given to me, and when I complete it, I get $75 for doing so. As you can see, it's just a bit of text, about 8 pages. Okay, there's also like lots of spaces in between, so it's not as much as it looks, but all you're going to do is you're actually just going to copy all of this, or you can go section by section. So let's start off with this section, go right click, copy. You're going to come over to Google and you're just going to search Google Translator. Search Google Translator. Over here, we want to go look for the German language. So click on languages, scroll down until you can see German over here, and you want to select English as your second language over here that you're translating to. Paste all of your German text over here, and here you can see once upon a time, this is how fairy tales begin. A fairy tale is a very old story. This fairy tale is called Red, so this we can obviously change to Little Red Riding Hood. So this we're going to copy over here, this English piece over here. And what you want to do is you want to come over to the Grammarly tool over here. So app.grammarly.com will take you to a dashboard like this. You can sign up completely for free. All you want to do is click on new documents over here, and it's going to open up with the Grammarly tool like this over here. So all you're going to do is you're just going to paste all your text over here, and you just want to go and collect and fix all the English as well. So what I like about this tool, it will outline every single error in the text for you. So first of all, Google Translator is not reliable enough to solely make money online from this. So you need to translate these jobs, first of all, from that whatever language that is, into English, and then you need to go and obviously correct that and fix all the grammar, as Google Translator does direct translation and doesn't focus on grammar. That's why we're using a tool like Grammarly to go and fix all the English that has now been translated. So I quickly want to show you something over here. If I come over to this website over here, I will explain to you now a little bit about it. I'm just going to quickly come over to browse. I want to show you other people doing this. So over here, we can just go browse projects over here. On the left, you will see tons of categories from featured projects to newest projects to surveys to graphics and design. So first of all, this website is called Latium.org. Now, Latium.org is a website where you can do freelancing, outsource your services or sell your services, and you can get paid either US dollars or various different cryptocurrencies ranging from BAT, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Gold, Dent, Dragon Chain, Ethereum, Funfeg, all these cryptocurrencies over here, you can actually get paid on this website. So this is a fantastic website to exchange your time for cryptocurrencies. And what's nice about collecting cryptocurrencies on this website, you can make money on your money. Meaning if Bitcoin goes up in the next 2 years, your money could double. Based on how much Bitcoin grew the last 2 years, that was a couple of 1,000%. So all you need to do is you just need to go and take a look at these projects over here. On the left, you will see all of these categories over here. Click on translation jobs, and you will see people are getting paid between $100 to $125 for English to Spanish. Some people are getting paid Spanish to English, $150 to $175. This one over here is paying from PT to English, which is paying between $450 and $550. This project over here is going from translating from Norwegian to English. That's $300 to $350. So all you do is you just take your article. If it's, for example, in Norwegian, you just copy, come to Google Translator, just search Norwegian, and it will translate it to English for you over here. So it's just as easy as that. The tool does it for you. Then you just need to copy the English, come over to the Grammarly tool, and it will auto-correct and just correct all the errors that it highlights. So obviously this is errors over here. So this fairy tale is called and a very old story. You just need to go and correct that. And then all you're going to do is on Latiem.org, here where these different projects are, you can see as a more simple job, $40 to $50 from English to Hindi. So you can earn various different amounts. All you get to do is you're going to click on post a project on the top right over here, and you just need to click on, I would actually choose set a instant price, hire instantly, because this means you set a fixed price, you're charging a fixed price. A receive bids, meaning people bid on your offer and you can actually receive very low offers. I would suggest take control and set your own price. For your project title, you can go and create multiple projects if you want to, translating different languages. I suggest create multiple gigs because that just increases your chances of exposure. Obviously, if you're going to have 3 gigs, you're going to have 3 times the chances and 3 times more exposure, meaning 3 times more sales as well. So you can just come back to the Latiem page over here. Let's just come back to this translation jobs over here, and we want to take some influence from their title. So for example, if you want to do from, let's say, English to Russian, you can just copy this title over here. So we can go translation job from English to Russian. For your description, you just want to give them the steps they need to do in order to get their task translated. So over here is an example. So here they've left the instructions. So just for example, let me show you a good example. You want to have instructions, 5 PDF translates needed to English to Russian, PDF provided and requesting translations in PDF or Word format. Any questions, let me know. Select the category. You just want to go look for translations and languages. You can select your cover photo as well. So we can just search maybe Russia, look for the Russia flag or anything like that. Perfect. So we can go and choose, for example, this picture, this stock photo over here, which looks good. And then add a section. If you want to add instructions, I recommend give instructions. And if you want to add another section, you can add videos or any photos of previous work that you've done, or ask them to require a screenshot. I just recommend selecting instructions so that you can give them instructions in order to do their translation job. Once you're done, click on next over here. Type here to search for goals. So you don't need any skills. You can just put, let's just search writing. When you're ready, you can click on post over here and it will then post your project. People will then reply to you with different translation jobs that they might have for you, and they will pay you then for those different translation jobs. Obviously, you can select the complete currency that you want to get paid in. You can also select whether you want cryptocurrency, Bitcoins, Ethereum, Dogecoin, you name it, you can choose completely what you want to get paid in. And what you want to do is you also want to come over to Conquer.io, which is a great alternative to Latiem.org. So the reason why you want to post on this website as well is to get more chances of traffic, more chances of sales as well. So all you're going to do is, you can see over here, if you actually click on find services and you just type in translation, and you will find other people doing this over here as well. So they're doing translation between German, Russian, and English. All you're going to do is just click on start selling at the top over here, sign in with your username and post the gig with the same process that I just showed you. Also come over to quickengigs.com, which is a great alternative to Fiverr. That is quite new and that doesn't have as much of traffic, so there's not as much as competition. So again, if I search translation over here, click on enter. Here you can see people getting paid $5 over and over again for doing a perfect English to German translation. And you can tell that there's not actually a lot of competition on this website. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 gigs on this website. That's not hard to rank for. If you get one sale, you'll already be amongst the top 3 over here. So all you're going to do is you just log in with your account. Once you've signed in, you're going to hover over your username over here. You're going to click on jobs over here. The drop down will come down and you're going to click on post new over here. And you're going to use the same process. This is your title, your description, and you enter your price on what you want to charge. People will then come onto this website. They pay you through this website. You get paid via Bitcoin. It's either internet transfer, what you call wire transfer, and then there's also PayPal and your usual USD methods. So this is just 3 websites that you can use. I also suggest go and post everywhere as possible. Even go and post on Fiverr, go and post on Upworks, and go and post on People Per Hour as well. So you can go and post on every single one of these platforms. I'm just going to open up all of them for you quickly. And you want to get as much as exposure as possible. Again, just go translation on Fiverr and go and post as many gigs as possible and do as many jobs as possible. Get as many traffic as possible. So you're on Upworks.com, same thing as Fiverr. You just log in, launch your gig and let people find you on this website. Same thing with People Per Hour. Post a project over here, go list your gig. And the thing is, in the beginning, you might start off small. And what I also suggest is come over to YouTube and create content on how to translate done for you articles from English to German, for example, at the click of a button. So you just go how to translate, let's say, articles, and you want to create tutorials on how to translate articles, and you basically go and teach people how to do this with Google Translator and the Grammarly tool. And then all you do is you leave the link to your gig in the description of your videos, and you can say to people, get your done for you translation here. Leave that link to your gig. And the whole point of this is you want to get sales, for example, on Fiverr, from external platforms, because the algorithms favor that. If you want to rank on Fiverr, you need to get traffic from other platforms, because if you can bring traffic to Fiverr, you're giving Fiverr business. In return, Fiverr is going to reward you and rank you up, obviously because they favor you and you're promoting them. So it's a win-win, and that's how you should go and rank or go about ranking your gig on Fiverr, is go and get traffic from external platforms. But guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I just quickly wanted to let you know how you can win this $50 giveaway that I'm having at the end of this video, which is now. All you need to do is leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Comment down below your favorite quote or something motivational, and make sure you subscribe with the red notification bell on. I will check if you've done all 3. In tomorrow's video, I will announce the winner of that $50 giveaway. So make sure to stay tuned on this channel for that giveaway. But guys, if you want to get more in-depth one-on-one mentoring with me, you can come over to the first link in the description, and there's a whole entire free training for you guys over there. Without further ado, guys, I'm also going to leave a playlist on the screen over here that will help you make more money online with freelancing and selling and making money with services online. So if you want to check out that, make sure to click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you there.